The question is 90 divided by bracket 3 times 5 bracket close plus in the bracket 12 plus 8 bracket close divided by 4. According to PEMDAS, we'll solve the brackets first. So now the solution.
19.
Divide b here will follow this parenthesis, so 3 times 5, that becomes 15. 9 plus, in the bracket, 12 plus 8. Bracket close, divided by 4. Now let's solve further. 90 divided by 15. Here, we'll solve this bracket. 12 plus 8, that becomes 20, divided by 4. Now we'll do the division first. So 90 divided by 15 plus 20 divided by 4. 90 divided by 15 is 6 times, 20 divided by 4 is 5 times. Now let's solve further. 6 plus 5 equals 11. This is the right answer.